Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Myself, Mrs. Mehjabeen Khan, Headmistress of Muhammadiyah English High School, Kalyan. Students Islamic Organization, Kalyan Unit, have come forward with a program for parents which is known as Parvarish. Through this program, you as a parent will understand and will be able to guide your children in the difficulties which they face in their life. This program will help you raise your students in the academics and behavior. Many renowned psychiatrists are going to conduct this program. The program is on 17 February, Saturday. It will start at 7:15 p.m. and will end by 10:15. It's at JP Resort. It's a kind request from my bench that parents please attend this program and get solutions to the difficulties faced by your children. As you all know, that children are the echoes of the domes. Whatever is called out will come back to them. So please help your kids secure a better future. Come, get yourself trained and see the difference. Thank you so much.